Hello everyone, I'm Elfrin. I'm currently doing a BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Karna University. My register number was URK24I1035. In this video, I'm going to explain the stack implementation using a linked list in C language. It is a linear data structure. It follows the last in last out principle, which means the element that is inserted lost will be the first one to be removed. There are the main operations in a stack like a push to insert an element, pop to delete the top element, pick to see the top element, display to view all the stack elements. I would like explain the overall code. Uh, Here we inserted the header file for input and output and memory functions. Here we created the structure node with data and pointer next. The pointer top keeps the track of the top element in the stack. I would like to explain the each function. The SMT function, it will check the whether stack is empty or not. Next, push function, a new node is created dynamically using a malloc function and linked at the top. Pop function, in pop-up function, the top element is deleted and memory is spread. In pick-up function, it displays the value at the top without deleting it. Next, display functions. So it transfers the entire stack and prints the all element. Main elements, it contains a menu driven interface allowing the user to choose an operations. So you can see the code. I would like to run this. So you can see the operations of stack implementation using a linked list. Just I'm entering the choice. I'm inserting the element. And it is a pop of the element like 90. Pick element, it shows the top of the element. Display function, it displays in the stack element. And finally we are existing the program. Sure, this program successfully demonstrates stack entity using a linked list in C. Using linked list for stack implementation provides dynamic memory allocation, which means there are no fixed size linked like in arrays. It clearly shows how to perform pop-off, push, peek and display operations efficiently using pointers in C. Thank you.